Okay. You want the apple? Eat the apple. Eat the apple. Guess I have to slice it. Well, it's gonna be a short time, by the way. Oh, forgot to shut my door. Okay. Can't apple slice it. Gotta slice it. So my dog can eat it. Going like this. Okay. Slice it. Slice it. Oh my god. Cutting slices. Here's the best way. Cutting slices faster. Let's do it like this. Have you guys tried it before? Like if you have tried it, and dislike if you didn't try it. You didn't try that. So try it right now. Okay. I want to slice myself. Oh my god, this apple. What is wrong with this apple? It's just Mr. Apple. Cut it up. Oh. A hot slice. Oh my. Wait, get away. Then slice it into small pieces. Okay. Slice. Come on. It's gonna be right. It's in the right way. Let's try this. Okay, slices. Okay, and then. Okay, here we go. That's 2 slices, and here I got 2 slices. Okay. Got 2 slices here. Hey, Bane. You want those? Eat those.